Now see, this is your question number 5. Solve the following equations and check the result. Okay, we have already, before this we have studied the rules for solving an equation, so let's use that only. So here you have x minus 6 is equal to 11. Now what you can see here, with you have to find the value of x. Okay, so you want only x on the left hand side. So with x, what is there here? Minus 6. So what you will write? Minus 6, its opposite is what? Plus. So what you will write? Adding 6 on both sides. What you will write? Adding 6 to both sides. So let's add. So what does it imply? First of all, this left hand side will be as it is, plus 6 you will write, and again this right hand side as it is, and you will write plus 6. And here you have to give the reason whatever you have done. What we have done? We have done adding 6 to both sides. Okay. Now you can see this minus 6 plus 6 is eliminated. You know it is 0. So x is equal to, now simplify right hand side, 11 plus 6 is what? 17. So x equals to 17 is the answer of the given equation. Now question is what? You have to check the result also. So to check, what you have to do? See, to check. Very easy. To check, what you have to do? Whatever the value of x you have got, this value of x you will put in the left hand side, and let's see whether right hand side you are getting or not. Okay. So you will write to check LHS. What is your LHS here? X minus 6. Now you have to put what? X is equal to 17. So x is equal to 17. When I will put 17 minus 6, 17 minus 6 is equal to what? 11. So and 11 is what? Your RHS, right hand side. So this is how you can check all the examples. Okay. Now let's move to its next sum. This is your second example. 12p minus 12 is equal to 36. Now see children, here with 12p, I told that you want only p on the left side. But with p there is 12, and with 12p there is again minus 12. So first of all you have to remove this minus 12. Now what is the opposite of minus? Plus you have to take. So what you will write? Adding what? Adding 12 to both sides. So let's write that. Adding 12 to both sides. Okay. So this is your left hand side. Add 12. Right hand side write as it is, add 12. Now you can see minus 12 plus 12 is eliminated, and this is 12p, and 36 plus 12 is what? 48. Okay. Now again children, you can see 12p we have. This 12 and p, between these two what is the sign here? Multiplication. Now you want to remove 12 with p. Okay. So what is the opposite of multiplication? Division. So now you have to divide both sides by 12, whatever the number here. So you will write here dividing both sides by what? 12. Now let's divide again this left hand side as it is. Divide by 12. This is the sign of division. 48. Divide by 12. And simplify. This 12 will get cancelled, and when you simplify this you will get 4. So what is left on the left hand side? P, and here 4. So P equals to 4 is the solution of the given equation. Now you have to check out. Okay. So let's check it. To check, what you have to do? Whatever your left hand side, that you will write, and here P equals to 4 you have to put. Okay, so let me write here p equals to 4. So this 12 is already there. You will write what is the sign here? Multiplication. P equal to what? You have to put 4 minus 12. Now let's simplify. 12 into 4 is what? 12 4 is a 48 minus 12. 48 minus 12, 8 minus 2 is 6, 4 minus 1 3, that is 36, and you can see 36 is your right hand side. So you will write here 36 is equal to RHS and hence verified. Verified means hence checked. So this is how you can check the given equation. Now here you can see children, your third example is just like question number, this second example, only the sign is changed. Now let's move to fourth example of this exercise, that is 3x minus 4 is equal to 8 minus x, sorry here is x. Okay, so you can see here variable terms you have on both the sides. So first of all, you want only one variable. So let's remove one variable. Any variable you can remove. It's your choice. Either you can remove 3x or you can remove x. So if I want to remove this minus x. So what is the opposite of minus? Plus. So what I will write? Adding x. Adding what? Adding x to both sides. So let's write adding x to both sides. Now this is your left hand side, 3x minus 4, add x, what is plus x. This is right hand side, 8 minus x, add x. Now minus x plus x is eliminated, and now here you can see 3x and x are the like terms, and in algebraic expression we have studied, you can add, you can simplify the like terms. So 3x plus, you have to simplify, okay, wherever you can simplify. So 3x plus x is equal to what? 4x, and what is left here? Minus 4 is equal to 8. Now, you know, with 4x, what is there here? Minus 4. So, you have to check out in each step what you can do. So, if you want to remove minus 4, you have to add 4 on both sides. So, we will write now adding 4 to both sides. Now, this is your 4x minus 4, add 4. And here you add 4, 8 plus 4, minus 4 plus 4 get cancelled. Here 4x and 8 plus 4 is equal to what? 12. And now with x, what is there? 4. So 4 into x, this is into. So it means you have to divide. So what you will write? Dividing by 4 to on both sides. Okay. So this is your 4x, divide by 4, this is your 12, write by 4 and simplify here. So you can see what you are getting, x is equal to 3. X equal to what got? 3. Now let's check the result. Again to check for x equal to what? 3. Now when we check the result, let's see whether getting right hand side or not. Now children, in the previous examples, whatever we have studied there, what we have seen that on the right hand side you have only the number. So here no need, there was no variable, so we have not simplified right hand side. We have simplified only the left hand side. Okay, we have simplified only the left hand side. Now here you can see children, in this example you have variable on both the hands. So you have to simplify left hand side also for x equal to 3 and right hand side also for x equals to 3. So let's see that. We will write here, you can write like this also, here LHS and here you can write RHS, you can separate it. Now left hand side is what here, according to question 3x minus 4, you have to put x equal to 3. So let's put 3 into 3 minus 4, simplify, 3 3s are 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Now your right hand side, what was your right hand side in the equation? It was x minus x. So put x equal to 3 here, 8 minus 3 is equal to what? 5. Okay, so what you have observed that here LHS is equal to RHS. Both the hands are equal. Therefore, we can say that x equals to 3 is the solution of the given equation. Okay. So now let's move to the next example. Here so many examples are given there. Okay. See, this is the fifth example now. 3 into x plus 7 is equal to 42. So you know children, before the number, if there is any number, before the bracket, if there is any number, you have to use distributive property. So what is distributive property? You have to multiply these 3 with all the terms in the bracket. So 3 into x, first we simplify the bracket, means you don't want bracket. So 3 into x will be 3x plus 3 into 7 will be 3 7 are 21 is equal to 42. Okay, now you have got 3x plus 21. Now this sum is same as we have done the till now. We have done the same sum, this type of sum we have done second one. Okay, so first only you have to just simplify, and then the steps are same. Means what you will write here, plus 21, so you will write now subtracting minus 21 from both sides. Okay, so in this sum you can do in this way. Okay, now here let's move your 7th sum, 8th. After this you have to complete this sum. Okay, the same sum is there, 8th example, where we have 4 into x minus 2 is equal to 12. So what you will do, again you will simplify the bracket. So 4 into x will be 4x minus 4 into 2 will be 4 2s are 8 is equal to 12. Now here is minus 8. Now I am here skipping the statement, but you have to write what you will write, that subtracting here minus 8, so what you will write, adding 8 to both sides. So when you will add, here you will get minus 8 plus 8, and here you will get 12 plus 8. Minus 8 plus 8 cancelled, and what is left now here, 4x is equal to 12 plus 8 is what, 20. Now with x, what is here, with x 4 is there, so you have to remove this. Here is multiplication, so you will write dividing both sides by 4. So let's see here, when you divide both the sides by 4, you will get such type of a step. 4 4 get cancelled, and here 4 5s are 20, and what is left now, x is equal to 5. So x equals to 5 is the solution of the given equation. Now this x equal to 5 you will put here to check. Let's see checking of this. X equals to what, 5. So your LHS is 4 into x minus 2. 4x, what is x, 5. 5 minus 2. Now let's simplify. This 4 will remain as it is. Okay, 5 minus 2 is what, 3, and 4 3s are what, 12. So 12 is what, is your right hand side. Okay, here simplify the bracket first. 5 minus 2 is 3, 4 3s are 12 as equal to right hand side. Okay, I hope you understood all the sums. Let's continue with the remaining sums also. Now let's see question number 8 of question number 5. Now see here children, you have the bracket. Now you know children, you have to use the distributive property. Okay, so let's use, 3 into x will be 3x, plus 3 into 2 will be 6, minus 2 into x will be 2x, and as before the bracket there is minus, this minus into minus become plus, and 2 1s are 2 is equal to what, 11. First let's check what we can simplify. As you can see here, 3x and minus 2x are like terms, so you can simplify. So 3x minus 2x is equal to what, x. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8 is equal to 11. Okay, now there with x there is plus 8, so what we write, subtracting 8 from both sides. Okay, so let's write that subtracting 8 from both sides. So first you will write left hand side as it is, minus 8 write, again write down right hand side as it is, and write minus 8. Now simplify, 8 is eliminated. What is left here, x, and 11 minus 8 is equal to what, 3. So the value of x you got 3. Now let's check the result. So we will write to check. Okay, to check for x equals to what, x equals to 3. Now write down left hand side. As you can see here in this question, variables are on the left hand side part only. So in left hand side write down 3x plus 2 minus this and this. Now x is equal to 3. Wherever x there you put 3. Here is minus 2. Here again x, so put 3 minus 1 and simplify the bracket first. 3 plus 2, 5 minus 3 minus 1 is what? 2. Now just simplify. 3 5s are 15, 2 2s are 4, and 15 minus 4 is equal to what? 11, and this 11 is what? Your right hand side. So 11 is equal to RHS. So therefore what we got? LHS is equal to RHS. Hence what we write now? Hence x is equal to 3 is the solution of the given equation. Okay. Sums are very easy. You need only practice. Everything will be okay. Okay. So hence we will write x equal to 3 is the solution of the given equation. Okay. Now let's move to the next example. Now see, this is your which example? 9th example. This is your 9th example. Okay. Now we have given 3x by 2 is equal to what? 9. Now as you can see, in the denominator of 3x what you have? 2. So it is divided by 2. 3x divided by 2. So let's remove these 2 first. So to remove these 2 first, you have to write multiplying both sides by 2. So we will write multiplying both sides by 2. So write down left hand side as it is, multiply by 2, right hand and multiply here. Now these 2 get cancelled and 3x is equal to what here? 9 2s are 18. Now children, you can find that 3 and x here, what is the sign? Multiplication. So what we write now, and with x what is there? 3. So we have to write now dividing both sides by 3. So let's write that dividing both sides by 3. I already told you, if division is there, you have to multiply to eliminate the numbers and to eliminate the term, and if multiplication you have to divide. If plus is there, minus, and if minus is there, you have to add. Okay, so 3x by 3 is equal to 18 by 3. 3 get cancelled. 3 6 are x is equal to 6. Now checking you can do. Okay, so here I left the sum for you. You have to check the result. It's easy. You know that in place of x you will put 6 and you have to simplify. Here multiplication is there. So you will write 3 into 6 by 2 and 2 3 ja 3 3 ja 9 you will get. Okay. Now see this sum. 1 by 2 into x. This is into plus 9 is equal to 14. So this you can write like this. 1 into x will be what? X by 2 plus 9 is equal to 14. So you know what we have to remove first. You have to eliminate 9 first. And what is the sign here? Plus. Plus 9. So what you will write? Subtracting 9 from both sides. So subtracting 9 from both sides. So left hand side write as it is. Right here minus 9 and here 14 minus 9. This is eliminated. What is left now? X by 2 is equal to 14 minus 9, 5. Okay. Now you can see here is division and here 2 is there. So you have to multiply. So you will write multiplying. This is the sign of multiplication. Multiplying both sides by 2. Here is 2 now. So write x by 2 into 2 is equal to 5 into 2 and 2 get cancelled. 2 get cancelled, and what is left now? X is equal to 10. X equal to 10 is what? The value of x. Now you have to check the result. So let's see checking part of this question. So we will write to check. To check what? LHS. LHS is what? 1 by 2 x plus 9. Okay. So 1 by 2 into x. X is what? Here 10 plus 9. So this will get cancelled. Here 5, and you know 5 plus 9 is equal to what? 14, and 14 is equal to what? RHS. You see your right hand side is what? 14. So I hope you are understanding all the sums. Okay. Now 11th example you can do in the same way. y minus 13 by 2 is there. So first you will remove plus 13 by 2. You will solve. You can solve this sum. Okay. Now let me write example 12 for you. All the examples are same. Just take care of sign and simplification. Okay. Now see children, this example, x by 2 plus x by 3 is equal to 1. Now here, as this is here in the denominator you have 2 and 3. So first of all you have to remove this denominator. So what you can do here, one more thing is there, that you can find its LCM and you can solve like that. Okay. So if we find LCM of 2 and 3, so LCM of 2 and 3 is equal to what? 6. You know that. Okay. Now you know how to simplify x by 2. Here you want 6. So multiply by 3 here and here also by 3. Plus here x is what? X by 3 you will write and multiply by here 2 and here by 2 is equal to 1. Now 3x by 6 plus 2x by 6 is equal to 1. Denominator is same. So you can write 6 and 3x plus 2x is equal to 5x is equal to 1. And now children, you know here there is division, divided by 6. So what you will write? Multiplying both sides by what you will multiply now? By 6. So you will write 5x by 6 into 6 and 1 into 6. Here this get cancelled and 5x is equal to 6 1 is 6. Again you can see here multiplication. So now you have to write dividing both sides by 5. Okay. So 5x by 5 is equal to 6 by 5. This 5 get cancelled and you have got the value of x is equal to 6 by 5. Okay. So we have got the value of x is equal to 6 by 5. Now let's check the result of this. Okay. So we write to check what for x is equal to 6 upon 5. So in place of x, what you have to put? 6 upon 5. Now let's write down left hand side is what? X by 2 plus x by 3. Now in place of x you have to put 6 by 5. So 6 upon 5 by 2 plus 6 upon 5 by 3. Now you know children, 6, this division by 5 here you can take. Means 6 by 5 will be as it is. 2 by 1, this is, if there is no denominator, what is there? 1. So 2 by 1, this division convert into multiplication and here 2 by 1 becomes what? 1 by 2. Again see, this is 6 by 5 as it is. This division, this we have already studied in multiplication of fractions. This division becomes multiplication and 3 becomes 1 by 3. You have to write the reciprocal of this. Now simplify. When you simplify, you can see this 2 3 ja get cancelled and here 3 2 ja get cancelled. Now what is left here? In the numerator, 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3 1s are 3. Sorry, 3. 3 by 5, 3 1s are 3. What is left here? 3. See, this is 6 by 5. This division convert into multiplication and this 2 by 1 becomes 1 by 2. Again, plus 6 by 5 as it is. Division converted into multiplication and write the reciprocal of 3, 1 by 3. Now simplify this. 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6. Now what is left in the numerator? 3. 3 into 1. So 3 1s are 3 plus 2 1s are 2. 2 by 5. So as you can see, denominator is same. So numerator you can add 3 plus 2 by 5 and 3 plus 2 is what? 5 by 5 and 5 by 5 cancelled and what is the answer? Here 1. And you know, see children, your right hand side is what? 1 only. So here you can write R is equal to what? RHS. Okay. So see children, if there is fraction, nothing to worry. Everything we have already studied. Simplify and go on smoothly. Okay. So let's move to the next question. Now here is your 13th example of question number 5. Now you see here minus 1 by 2 is there. So you know you have to write what? Subtracting 1 by 2 from, adding 1 by 2 to both the sides. Okay, so let's write that adding 1 by 2 to both sides. Okay, so left hand side as it is, right here plus 1 by 2, right hand side as it is, right here plus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 0, and here 2x is equal to. Now you can see children, here we have denominators. Okay, so let's find its LCM 3 and 2. What is the LCM of 3 and 2? 6. And here direct I am writing now. Here you have to multiply by 2. So here also you will multiply by 2. So here minus 2 you will get plus. Here to get 6 we have to multiply by 3. So here also multiply by 3. So 3 ones are 3. So what you got now, 2x is equal to minus 2 plus 3 is 1 by 6. Okay, 2x is equal to 1 by 6. Now let's see here what you can use. You can use here cross multiplication. Okay, or before that you can do this also. So let's use cross multiplication. 2x into 6 will be 6 2s are 12. X is equal to 1. Now as there is multiplication, so what you will write dividing both sides by 12. So let's divide 12x by 12 is equal to 1 by 12. So 12 get cancelled, so the answer is x is equal to what? 1 by 12. Okay, now let's check the result. To check here, right, to check for x is equal to what? 1 by 12. Now left hand side, this is your left hand side, 2x minus 1 by 2. So this is 2 into x. X is what? What is the value of x? 1 by 12 minus 1 by 2. Now you can see children, this you can get cancelled. So 6. So what you got here? Here you have got 1 by 6 minus 1 by 2. Now you know children, you have to find LCM. So when you find LCM, what is the LCM here? 6. And here's the denominator is same, write 1 minus, here 6 is there and here 2. So multiply here through 3 by 3. So here also you have to multiply by 3. So 3 ones are 3. So minus 3 by 1 minus 3 is what? 2. 1 minus 3, 2, minus 2 by 6 get cancelled. Here you will get 3, and what you will get here now is equal to minus, what is left here in the numerator, there is 1. Okay, this 3 is in the denominator. Take care while writing. So minus 1 by 3, and this minus 1 by 3 is what your RHS. So simple. Okay, now let's move to the next example, that is 14th sum. Now see, x minus 3 by 5 minus 1 is equal to what? 2. Now here there is minus 1. So let's write adding, as there is minus, we have to add. So adding what? 1 to both sides. So this is your left hand side, minus 1 plus 1, and here 2 plus 1. Get cancelled. Now what is left? X minus 3 by 5 is equal to 2 plus 1 is what? 3. Now you can see children, in the denominator you have 5. Means x minus 3 divided by 5. So if this is division, you know you have to multiply both the sides by 5. So write multiply both sides by 5. So this is your left side, multiply by 5. Right side, multiply by 5. Simplify, you will get now x minus 3 is equal to 15. Now very simple. Here what do you have now? Minus 3. So you have to remove minus 3. So what you will do? Opposite of minus is addition. So you will write adding 3 to both sides. So when you will add 3 to both sides, you will get plus 3 here, and here this get cancelled. So x is equal to what? 18. What you got? X is equal to 18. Now to check. Okay. let's check again. Here, what is your left side? X minus 3 by 5 minus 1. So put x is equal to 18. So 18 minus 3 by 5 minus 1. Now 18 minus 3 is what? 15. 15 by 5 minus 1. Now this you can simplify. So you will get here 3. Now you can see, children, that here you have got 3 and we will write now this is 3. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 and is equal to RHS. You see your right hand side is what? 2. So I hope you understood this example also. Now let's continue with the same question. Now the last example of question number 5. See here, so many examples are there. Okay. So do the practice. Let's move to the next one last. Now see here the question is 1 by 2 minus 3x is equal to 0. So you will not remove this minus 3x. Remember, here is the variable. You need variable. You have to remove 1 by 2. So you see, children, here with 1 by 2, what is the sign here? Plus. If no sign is there, what is there? Plus. So 1 by 2 is positive here. So what you will write? Opposite of plus is minus. So you will write subtracting 1 by 2 from both sides. Okay. So this is your left hand side, minus 3x. You have to subtract, so you will write minus 1 by 2, 0 minus 1 by 2. Now this is plus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 removed. What is left here? Minus 3x, and 0 minus 1 by 2 is what? Minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now as you can see here, with x, what is there? Minus 3. Okay. Or you can say 3. So let's divide both the hands by 3. So right here, dividing both sides by 3, as there is 3. So left hand side with the sign write as it is, divided by 3, and here minus 1 by 2 divided by 3. In this way also you can write 3 get cancelled, here minus x, and here this is minus 1 by 2. You know, division becomes multiplication and reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. Now let's simplify this. Minus minus get cancelled. X is equal to 1 by 6 is what your answer. Okay. Now let's check it. Let's check the result whether x equal to 1 by 6 is correct or not. So for that you have to put x is equal to 1 by 6. So this is your left hand side. Let's write 1 by 2 minus 3 into, in place of x what you have to put? 1 by 6. See here multiplication, you can simplify this with this, not this with this. Okay. So 3 2s are. So here you can see 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 we are getting, and 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, you know, 0. Minus 1 by 2 is what? 0, and 0 is only your right hand side. So children, you see this question was very long as there were 15 examples and I tried to explain you very well, and now it's your time to give the feedback whether you have understood or not, and it's your time to work hard. Okay, so keep watching. Till then, goodbye everyone. Okay.